In this episode, we have the Clown Prince of Gotham. Now, we got some Air Force Ones, the design, a Joker layout, the artist, Kixar Studio. Now, these shoes caught my eye in a different way. At first, I thought it was a little too busy, and I just brushed right over it. But I gotta tell you, I noticed the details. I noticed the line work. I noticed the bang bang and then the Joker. And then realized it was the Joker. Now this piece has everything. We got the Joker, we got the laughters, we got the names. Let's walk right through. Let's take a look at, there's just so many great angles on this. All right, so right off the bat, you look at the back of the heel, you got the Joker face. I love the drip effect that's coming off both the heel and the toe, right? You have just the mix of the artwork bleeding off of the shoe. And then you mix that with the splatter and the drip effect. A brilliant combination for the Joker. The colors, we got the purples, we got the green, and that blue, or the light blue, that's the skin tone of the Joker, right? The green, the hair color, the purple, or the suit, the blood splatter. The only thing I'm not, maybe you guys can help me out with, and maybe it's just not clicking right now, is the orange. It's probably a part of the Joker. I don't even know. If you guys know what that is, comment below. Let me know. I'm probably blanking out, or I just don't know my Joker as well. Love the nod to the bang bang. You got the artwork, hand-drawn Joker on the side. And then just the overall, I don't want to say it's messy, it's controlled chaos. That's what I'm getting here. Look at the Nike swoosh, look at the strap, look at the different colors in those purples, and then the splatter in those purples. This is just, you can look at this for days. This is just some great work, and the thoughtfulness or the execution of getting this done with not overly doing it. Kixar Studio, Paul, great design choice. Love your creativity. You're always surprising me with each and every kick. Great stuff. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.